So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to find healthy food items across a restaurant. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here, search for any restaurant or cafe. For example, Kundan's. And now this is a restaurant. Click on it. Now I want to know healthier food items of this place. So here click on Open in Maps. Now select the restaurant, this one. Now here click on Ask Gemini. And let's type, find me healthy food options to eat here. So see, it gave me a list of healthy picks at Kundan's. Soups and salads, South Indian, sugar-free treats, roasted snacks, etc. So this I can use Gemini on Chrome to find healthy food items at restaurant. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.